Hey everyone, so I want to show you a quick tip before we continue with the next one. So this is kind of like a little mini commercial, so stay tuned. I got something to show you.
Okay, so I actually have my phone here, okay, and I have some saran wrap or plastic wrap or whatever you want to call it. It's actually plastic wrap because I don't use name brand stuff because I refuse to pay overhead, which I probably do anyways, but I will fold it down to the sides, okay? Fold down to the sides and that's it. And then you just kind of like go that way and go this way and go this way. And if you guys can see that, let me see. Alright, so now we have, okay, and there we are, see? Okay, so look at that. It's even recognizing my face there. So it's just like, you know, if I want to make a phone call or if I want to go to like one of the past pages, see, you could still, it still reads my finger. So, but yeah, just something like when you're cooking. Now, if you can hear someone, I'm not really sure. You know what? Let's go to YouTube since we're here. Or you know what? No, let's do, yeah, you know what? Let's do Facebook really quick. Let's see if I can find some music, or let's see, any sponsored videos. Let's see. Let me see if I can find anything here. Okay, alright, you know what, let me do it this way. Let's go here. Alright, let's try this one. Let's try this. Yeah. It's actually kind of cool because it sounds like it magnifies the noise more because the plastic, it's right there at the bottom. You see that? You know, it's like it's right here. You really can't see it because of the way the light's shining. But hopefully, let me see. Can you guys see it? Yeah. I hope you guys can see it by the way the light's shining. But you know what? Let me see if I can do it this way. I'm sure you guys can see it. But yeah, it's just like basically it's all wrapped up on the side. Let me hit the home button here because I don't want to be calling anybody. And so basically I have it wrapped. Now I can't even unwrap it. Okay, so I kind of like folded it down from the sides, like right here. You see that? And I just wrapped it under like that. And the same thing with this side right here. It's like right here. I wrapped it under. And that's it. Because I'm going to be messing with chicken. And if someone's going to call me or whatever, I can hit the call or the answer button on my phone. You know, I can hit the answer button or make a phone call or what have you. Okay? So, I hope this tip helped you guys out. And I will talk to you guys soon because I got to get this chicken going. Come right back.